Hey everyone, in this video we are going to look at 5 Excel formatting tricks that take your spreadsheet from plain to pro. And trust me, once you learn this, you will never go back the old way. I will be transferring this unformatted product sale sheet using this tip. So make sure you watch till the end and let's get started. Here I have a simple product sale sheet. Let's start with the weight column. I don't want to create a separate column just to show kg. Instead, I will format the numbers to display it right alongside the value. First, select the weight column, then right click, then click Format Cell. Go to the custom category and in the type field, type 0 double quotation mark, then kg and again double quotation mark. You will see a live preview above. Then hit OK and now every weight shows with the kg without affecting the numbers behind the scenes. You can even use sum and other formulas is still work perfectly. Now let's do same for quantity. This time I will add pieces to show how many pieces we are sold. Select the quantity column, right click, then click format cell, then again go to the custom, in the type field you will write here 0 and pieces and hit OK. Now you can see neat and professional. Tip number 2, the custom date formatting. Next up, let's make our dates more readable. Right now, these dates are in default format. I want to make them a bit more user friendly. Just select the sale date column, right click, click on the format cell, then click custom and now type field day, month and year, which is much easier to read in reports. You can even play around with format like month, year or day, month, depending on your style. Tip number 3, conditional formatting. Now let's make important numbers. Here we have the sales column and I want to highlight high sales value. Let's say anything over 7,500. Select the sales data, go to the home tab and click conditional formatting. Then highlight sales rules. Then click on greater than and type 7,500 and choose a bold green field. Then click OK. And just like that, all high performing products are highlighted. Super useful. Tip number 4, wrap text. Now check out the product description column. Some of the text is spilling over into other column. It's not looking cool. To fix this, just select the description column, then go to the home tab, click wrap text. Now the text say within each cell, no mess. You can also adjust the raw height and column width to make it look just right. Tip number 5, format as a table. Finally, let's turn this plain data into a smart function table. Select the entire range, press Ctrl plus T. A window will pop up and make sure my table has header is checked and click hit OK. Your data is now a table. You can change the style, sort and filter instantly. No need to apply separate filter plus formula like sum and average work better with structured table. And that's it. 5 formatting tips that make your Excel sheet look clean, professional and easy to work with. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more tech and Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.